And in today's video, OnePlus 13 Hasselblad camera. This smartphone can go all the way to 8K, 30 frames per second. But for the purpose of this video, we're in a 4K 60 at the moment in a wide-angle lens. So this is how it looks like. Also, we do have a voice focusing at the moment enabled. Well, directly to the sun. Vlogging style. Vlogging. Video stabilization. And let's continue to the main lens. And with the main lens, nice. Going back to the wide angle lens. All right, there's a lot of background noise. Let me switch off that voice cancellation. Is it loud? Is it louder than it is with, which is on at the moment again? All right, main lens and telephoto. Let's continue all the way to 18x. Do we see license plate? No, we don't, because it doesn't have a license plate. It's weird. Okay, we can read the license plate. Kinda we do. Okay, I've seen better telephotos in the Galaxy series, but that's okay. How smooth can we get with that beautiful telephoto? Very smooth, impressive, extremely smooth. All right, going back to the other side. It's loud in here. I think we should switch places. I don't know. Anyway. Macro. Available. Alright. Wow. That's very impressive. Alright. Do we have autofocus in the main lens? Yes, we do. Of course we do have an autofocus. And it is quick. 2x. Super quick. 3x. Very impressive. 6x. Astonishing. And you can go even further if you wanted to for the macro experience. Well, switching to the front-facing camera is not available during the recording. Only pause and stop and take a photo. So front-facing camera. It is without the noise cancellation. It is loud. Let me switch to the voice focus, not voice cancellation. Is it better now? That is the question. Well, full length of my arm. What's with the tracks today? What's going on here? Right. This is how it looks like. This is how it sounds like. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? No, we don't. So there is none. But it is wide. Pretty good for vlogging. What else do we have? Ultra steady, but only in 30 frames per second. Do you really need extra video stabilization with a little bit of crop? But the cool thing is then it won't downgrade the resolution to full HD. It's still 4K 60, but a little bit of crop. But the stabilization is, and you can use all the lenses with that super stabilization. Wow. And it's so, you can do it smoothly. Yeah? Stable. Rock stable. For example, vlogging with a super wide and super video stabilization. And the directional sound. So all the features are on. All right, let's continue. For the Pro and Auto, so you can shoot like a master, I guess. Video, which is 18x and super smooth. Wow, impressive. From the front-facing camera. Bokeh and tons of filters. Only in full HD, I guess. And like I said, we can crop in 4K 60 a little bit. Look at the amount of crop. Is it vast? Kind of. Filters, of course. And in the photo department, you can zoom all the way to 120, which is unnecessary. NX is also super cool. Optical is most important. Electronic one, we can pick a zoom. I don't. Just smartphones. Oh, maybe the sign. All right, let me take those pictures. The AI. Oh, a bit shaky. All right, I guess. AI, killing it. Portrait mode. Nice. And of course, from the main lens is also available. That's telephoto, that's the main lens. So it look cinematic, I guess. Cinematic. high resolution photos. Let me have a look. Quickly rendering those photos. That's super cool. And what else? Movie mode. That's something new. And in the movie mode, I think we are on 30 frames per second, not 60 like in the Vivo. And it's like cinematic, I guess. We do have dual video, so you can switch lenses, and we have 2 lenses at the same time. You can do telephoto and bokeh effect, I guess. Oh yeah, that is good. I suppose you can change. Oh, you can put it whatever you like. You can change to a round one, I think, and that's the round one. Also super cool. All right, let's continue. Span. Wow, that is cool. And of course, pictures. In the picture department, like you can see, it is quite wide and the colors are very accurate. I like that, especially red, because sometimes smartphones are oversaturating that red greatly. I like the cow. Cow is cool. Yeah, colors are accurate, not too much noise. I'm not sure why I choose that huge logo at the bottom. You can choose something different. It's like too much. Next time I will do photos without that logo, which is ridiculous. But anyway, Rosso Corsa, okay, a little bit oversaturated, just a tiny bit. A little bit of selfies for you. Well, even at night it looks quite good. It is Hasselblad colors, after all. Should be the best. Kinda is. At night, yeah, spongy. A little bit of a slow motion for you. There you go. Flash. Oh! Flash! That's impressive. Flash is really good. Conclusion, I think is great. It is a bit better than, well, is it better than the Oppo? Basically a same brand. Oppo has one more lens, but it is locked for the 8K. And with the 8K, you can have a crisp image. But on YouTube, you won't be able to tell is it 8K or 4K. Too much compression. In the real footage, no compression. Link in the description. You can download it, but you cannot share it. This is still copyright. But you can download the 8K video and photos. For me, it's great because of the battery life. The carbon battery is so good that after the whole testing, it left me with 68% of the battery. Compared to the iPhone 16 Pro with the same testing, 12% left. 12 to 68, that is a massive difference. Okay, iPhone is a bit smaller, but still, long-lasting camera. And that is super cool. Link in the description. See you next video.